students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today let's start chapter 8, Puzzle Time. Solve the following puzzles. Number 1. One father gave rupees 100 to his son and another father gave his son rupees 50. However, between both the sons, they only increased their money by rupees 100. How can this be possible? Here, a father gave 100 rupees to his son and another father gave his son rupees 50. And between both the sons, the money increased by 100. So, how can it will be possible, or how can this be possible? So, let's solve the sum. Here you can see there are only 3 people, the grandfather, the father and the son. So, the grandfather gave 100 rupees to his son, that means to the father, and father gave 50 rupees to his son. So, the money increased by rupees 100. Now here number 4, a 100-meter long train moving at 100 meters per minute crossed a 100-meter long bridge. How long will it take? There is a train 100-meter long and it's moving at the speed of 100 meter per minute and crosses a 100-meter long bridge. So the time taken by a train. So we have to find out the time taken by a train to cross the bridge. Here speed equals to distance by time. 100, here speed is 100 meter and distance is 100 meter of train plus the bridge is 100 meter long. So 100 plus 100 by time. So time equals to 200 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. So time equals to 2 minutes. Here part B, non-verbal aptitude. Number 9, analogy. Take the right choice. Here the objects are given. Knife is used to cut pumpkin. And here saw is used to cut a log. So number C is the right one. Here for tennis is a ball, and for cock, badminton. Number 4A. Here analogy, abstract figures. Take the right choice. Here you can see number 1. Have to take the right choice. Here the first figure, the one portion is shaded, and the second figure, the unshaded part, there is a dot in unshaded parts. Here again the figure, the one portion is shaded. So number C will be the correct answer, because here there is a dot in the non-shaded part. As you can see, the figure is divided into 2 parts, and the one portion is shaded and the one portion is not shaded, but here is a dot. And in the same way, number C has also the one part is shaded and the non-shaded part has dot in it. Now here number 4, there is an arrow. So this is in the upward direction to the left and this is to the right. Here again the arrow is in downward direction to the right, and the next one will be number A, similar to this one, but this is in the upward direction and this is in the downward direction. So mark number A. Now let's start chapter 10, patterns. Repeating pattern 1, take from the answer figures which come next. So you have to take the figure which comes next. Here the problem figure is given and the answer figure. In the left side the problem figure and the right side the answer figures. Now you can see number 1 here the pattern. See here this pattern, and there's a dot in this pattern, then the plus sign, the symbol of plus sign is given. Then here you can see again the pattern is repeated. This pattern, the first pattern is repeated and the second pattern is again repeated. So the first pattern will come next. So tick the number A. Now you can see in number 3, the circle. In the first pattern there is a circle and the dot at the top, then the square and dot at the bottom. Then again the first pattern is repeated, the circle and the dot at the top, then again the second pattern. So now the next pattern will be the first pattern. Number B, the circle with the dot. So here repeating patterns to give next to for each of the following. Here the square, then circle with a dot, then the next one will be, here you can see the patterns are repeated, the patterns are repeating. So here will be square and the next one circle and dot inside the circle. Give next 3 for each of the following. Here you can see the patterns are drawn. So the next pattern will be here. This pattern is similar to the first pattern. The same, not similar, it's same. So the second pattern in the downward direction, the arrow in the downward direction. Then the next one, the arrow here, and then the next one upward direction. The second pattern, the arrow in the left side, and then the third one, the arrow in the upward direction. Fill in the box. You can see the pattern at the top, then in the right side, then at the bottom, then it shifted to the left side, then again at the top the repeated pattern, then at the top, then the second one, right side, cross, then again the bottom, draw the same pattern, then this one, the repeated pattern. Here growing patterns number 1, growing patterns 1, take from the answer figure which come next. Here you have to complete the pattern, and after this you have to take the figure which comes next. Here you can see how the pattern is drawn, and the next pattern is number C. You can see first the line is drawn, then in the downward direction, then to the left, then the upward direction, then like this. Okay, number C. Now number 5, you can see the chain is drawn with a given dot. So the two symbol, first is a 1, then 2 sign, then 3, then 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number A. Now number 7 is a ring, and here the given dot are increasing the number of dots. In the first ring there is a 1, then the second 2, then the third one there is a 3 dot, in the fourth ring there is a 4 dot, then In the fifth ring, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 dots. Again, growing pattern. Give next 3 for each of the following. Here, the symbol, here the plus sign is used. The first is a 1, then 2, then 3, the number is increasing. There is a 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3 columns are there. Again 7, 8 and 9. Now here fill in the box. Here number 8. The sign is here, the 2 sign symbols, then 3, then 4, then 5. So here it is an increase. The symbols are increasing. 6, then 7, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here it's a reducing pattern. 1. Tick from the answer figures with which comes next. In the left side there is the problem figures. The problem figures are given, and in the right side the answer figures are given. You can see here it is the patterns is reducing. So the 6 figures are drawn. Then is the 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So what comes next? Number C. Now here number 5. In the ring there are 4 dots. Then the dots are reducing. Number 3, then 3 dots, then 2, then 1. It's decreasing. So there will be no dots. The next one with no, the ring with no dots. So number B is the correct one. Here reducing patterns 2. Give next 2 for each of the following. So here the patterns are drawn. So what comes next? See, this will be removed. So 1, 3, then 2. Like this, the figures, you have to draw the figure. Here number 7, you can see the pattern is reducing. So you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then here will be 7, then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then here is 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the plus symbol is given. There are 9 in first box, then 8, then 7. You can see the last column. Started from the last column. So reduce from the last column. So this, then the next one, the second column, 1 you have to reduce. Then here it is drawn. The next one like this, 3 and then 2. Now chapter 11, classification. So cross out the odd one. Here number 1, can see the all objects are used for shaving. So D is the odd one here because knife is not used for shaving. These all items are of shaving kit. So D, cross D. Now here number 4, you can see the first one is mango. It is a fruit, and the rest one are vegetables. The rest one are vegetables. So cross A, mango. Here mango is odd. Mango is odd one. So cross mango, number A. Now number 6, here the items, the objects are All objects are of electronic or gadgets, but you can see here is a key. So key is the odd one. Cross number B. Now classification, abstract figures, cross out the odd one. Here you can see number 5. Each pattern or each symbol are repeated 3 times, but here you can see number B only 2 times. So cross number B. B is the odd one. Now number 6, you can see these all are quite similar to each other, B, C, D and E, but A is the odd one here. So tick A. Cross A. So students, that's all for today. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.